Hi everyone, my name is Emma. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I planted beet seeds. Beets are a cool season crop that means they can be planted in cool weather months of spring and late summer or fall. We start preparing for planting in the beginning of March. My husband added manure and tilled the ground, but we kept getting rain, so planting got delayed for a couple of weeks. By the time we were able to get into the garden, the ground was a little packed and a lot of weeds had grown, so the kids and I were clearing this area for beets. I like using plant pots as row markers. It's something big so the kids definitely can see and won't walk into planted areas. And use sticks and string to make a nice straight line as a guide for making a row. Let the string hang about 6 inches to a foot off the ground. I used a hand hoe and ran it underneath the string to make a shallow trench about 1 inch deep. Beets grow best in cooler weather. They can tolerate a little frost and near freezing temperatures. I planted ours 2 months before the last spring frost date in our planting zone. I planted seeds around 1 inch deep and about 3 to 4 inches apart. The rows are about a foot in distance. Place only one seed per planting hole because each ring or beet seed is a cluster of several seeds that can sprout 2 to 3 plants. So when the seedlings are about 2 to 3 inches tall, they will need thinning to 3 to 4 inches apart if applied. This allows their roots to have room to grow to their proper size and reduces competition for nutrients, water, and sun. Then beet seedlings can be used in salad and cooking, or you can try to replant them in another spot. After sowing, water over them gently so as not to displace the seeds, and then cover them with a layer of soil and gently pat the soil down. Allow seeds to germinate anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. It all depends on the soil temperature. Seeds take longer to germinate if planted when the soil is too cold. The ideal soil temperature is about 50 degrees. If where you live doesn't get much rain, water it once or twice a week to maintain plenty of moisture in order to grow well. Beet roots can be harvested when they are about the size of a golf ball or larger. Very large roots may be tough and woody. When thinning and weeding around the seedlings, be gentle because beets have shallow roots that are easily disturbed.
Coming up, still slowly, but yep, they're coming up. Right here and right here. But here's a beet. Yep. Oh, look at the little marigold beet.
If you've enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. Until the next time, you have a good day.